In this video, we'll be seeing pandas in Python. So what all are the features of pandas? We'll see first. Okay, so first feature is quick and efficient. It provides some data tools which with the help of which we can access and process the data quick and more efficiently. Then next is tools for adding data from different file formats into memory objects. It provides tools for adding the data from different file formats into the memory objects. Next is slicing and indexing and subsetting. Okay, we can take two data types, we can slice them, we can index them, and we can do the subsetting out of them. Then it allows merging and joining of two data sets. That is, we can take two data sets, we can merge them, we can join them. Next, pivoting and reshaping. We can present the data in the form of pivots and we can reshape the data. Now next is one more feature we are having in pandas, that we can present the data in the form of tables, that is tabular format. Next is size mobility. We can have the mobility in different sizes of the data types, okay, data structures. Now next, we'll see series in pandas. Okay, what is series? Series is a one dimensional array of same data type. So just keep in mind, all the data we are having in series must be of same data type. Then it is mutable. The values in the series are mutable, that is, we can change the values in series, but the size is not mutable. We cannot change the size of the series. Now it is having two main components. First one is data and the index. So as you can see in arrays and lists, okay, whichever data structures you see, you store data with specific indexes so that later we can access them with the help of indices. Now next, the series is having basically four parameters. First one is data, okay, which specifies the data. Next one is index to index for the specific data. Now next is data d type, that is data type of the data, and next one is copy, which is optional. Okay, we'll see it later. Now next, we'll just see a simple example for writing pandas. Okay, for writing a code for pandas, we need to import the panda library. For that, we have to write import pandas as pd. So we are accessing the pandas in pd. Now I'm taking one data structure, data equals to np. Okay, you know how to import numpy. Np is for npy, for just writing an array. Okay, how to import that? Import numpy as np. Okay, then np dot array, and in that array we are storing 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now next we'll be creating series. Okay, how to create series? Now df, one more data structure I'm taking, df equals to, which is of type series. Now pd equals to df equals to pd, that is panda dot series. In this data, what is data? Here in data structure, that is data array, we are having 5 elements. So by default, at the place of this data, this array will be getting copied. Now next, indices. Okay, index equals to a b c d and e. So 5 elements, 5 indices, and the data type we are specifying of type integer. Okay, now after this, simply we are creating an array with 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5, and indices a b c d and e. Understood? And it is of type integer. Now if suppose I write this code, what will be the output for this one? You will get output a b c d e, 1 2 3 4 5. That is, indices are a b c d e, and the value, the data for those indices will be 1 2 3 4 5. And what is the data type of that one? It is int 32. So this is the output you are going to get when you write the above code. This was about the pandas and series in Python. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. For that, subscribe the channel. Thank you.